listening to this life-changing affirmation. In this video, you will transform your life using our self-correcting affirmations. Listen to it daily for 21 consecutive days, at least once or twice a day, or as often as you need. Please subscribe right away to our channel and follow us for more videos. Remember to share us with your friends and family. Now, relax your body, take deep breaths, in and out, and let's begin your affirmations.
In the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole and complete. I open myself up now to achieving the tightest, firmest body that I can feel proud of. I don't perceive this as superficial, because I am getting into peak physical condition and optimum nutritional habits. I welcome taking action and acting on the inspiration, also to understanding that my inspired feelings are really signals, pointing to what I need to learn about myself, to become the best version of me. I am dedicated to following my weight loss plan. I am losing weight and firming up my body for me, because I love me. Weight gain happens over time, so my weight loss equally requires time, patience and lifestyle changes. I am firmly committed to staying active and healthy. Every physical movement that I make burns the extra fat in my body and helps me to maintain my ideal body weight. Age has nothing to do with it. I am releasing this weight in a wise way. I am showing up for myself and treating myself with respect. I am grateful for my body and where it takes me. I trust my body and its capabilities to heal and thrive. I am flexible to change. I am getting tighter every day. I am taking responsibility for my health. I am creating the body I have always wanted. I am patient in achieving my ideal shape. My weight loss story is successful. I completely understand that unhealthy foods do not help me lose weight, so I eat only healthy, nutritious foods. My body is getting stronger, slimmer and healthier every day. I do my lunges daily to tighten my booty. I look and feel lighter with each passing day. I am enjoying the process of being healthy and thin. I am the healthiest I have ever been. My activity level is so high, I can't help but to lose weight naturally. I am grateful for my body and how it knows what to do to keep me healthy. I am losing inches effortlessly and easily. I'm enjoying increased energy and self-confidence because of my commitment to proper nutrition and an active lifestyle. I affirm that I am successful, healthy, and cheerful person, whatever my present weight. I affirm that my weight loss does not depend on my earlier success or failures. I affirm that I am working out and eating healthy to lose weight gradually. I affirm that I am adopting healthy methods to lose weight. I am relaxed about my weight as I am now in control. I am working daily to achieve my weight loss goals. I affirm that moderation in diet is a foundation for weight loss. I affirm that I am fasting for a day once a week to strengthen my weight loss resolve. I meditate to get more self-control to lose weight. I am having faith in God, and He is giving me strength in my weight loss efforts. I am open to losing weight and seeing myself in a new heavenly, healthy body. Every day more fat melts off my body. By practicing a positive outlook, I lose weight more easily. People who know me are congratulating me on my weight loss. I am proud of the way I now look and my new weight. Today, I cease my focus on the weight I have to lose and focus completely on the me I am creating. Every morning when I wake up, I am grateful to be alive. My health is a gift, so I treat my body with the respect it deserves. I focus on my weight loss goals. I am reaching a healthy weight. I love and nurture myself better each day. I am living a healthy lifestyle. I am a strong presence in the world at my lower weight. It's easy for me to follow a healthy food plan. I only eat healthy food. I am disciplined in my eating habits. I am beginning to lose weight. I am transforming into someone who exercises regularly. I am becoming more disciplined with each passing day. I deserve to be slim, healthy, and happy. I choose to eat healthy foods. I eat only what I need. My body is getting stronger and healthier every day. I deserve to look and feel my best. I am going to make myself proud. I choose to be slim, happy, and more energetic. Every day, in every way, I am becoming a better me. I am proud of myself for choosing a healthier lifestyle. After a hard workout, I feel incredibly proud of my accomplishment. Becoming fit gives me a more positive outlook on life. I am beginning to see a new, leaner me in the mirror. Everywhere I look, I find others excited about losing weight. It's easy to find quick ways to burn extra calories every day. My excess fat is melting away to reveal my strong, lean muscles. The slim inner me is joyfully emerging. I am creating a body that I like and enjoy. My lifestyle eating changes are changing my body. I am learning and using the mental, emotional, and spiritual skills for success. I am willing to change. I am willing to create new thoughts about myself and my body. I choose to embrace thoughts of confidence in my ability to make positive changes in my life. It feels good to move my body. Exercise is fun. Every day I am exercising and taking care of my body. Every time I inhale, fresh energy fills my entire being, and every time I exhale, all toxins and body fat leave my body. I am attaining and maintaining my desired weight. I enjoy life by staying fit and maintaining my ideal weight. I accept my body exactly the way it is, and I constantly work on improving it. I am having a healthy body which keeps me full of energy, and a booty that is round, firm, attractive, and tight. Day by day, My booty is transforming into the vision I have for it. As my self-confidence rises, the number on the scale drops. Even at the height of my pain, I experience moments of release, contentment, and joy. Walking every day allows my body to release stored energy, moving me closer to my ideal weight. I am a weight loss success story. I let go of all negativity that rests in my body and mind. I choose to be positive and surround myself with positive people. My best self is coming forward. Today is a new day. I am determined to achieve my ideal weight and health. I let go of unhelpful patterns of behavior around food. I choose healthy foods in healthy amounts at healthy times of day. I visualize my ideal body daily and take action to make it happen. I clearly see myself at my ideal weight. I now release all guilt I hold around past unhealthy lifestyle choices. My muscle tone and firmness is improving more and more every day. In the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole and complete. I open myself up now to achieving the tightest, firmest body that I can feel proud of and that represents all my hard work, running, working out and eating right.
I hope you loved this video. A friendly reminder to watch it for 21 consecutive days to rewire your mind. Subscribe to our amazing channel for access to all new videos, and sharing is caring. We'd love to share with you now the tools we use to make this video. You can use them too for your next creative project or any channel. We used videos and review for our intro and outro logos, as well as all animations. Also avatar builder to create me, that you see standing in front of you now, and all our talking avatar presenters. Finally, talking text-to-speech for all our lifelike sounding affirmations in all videos. Check out the links for these apps in the links provided. Hope you have fun with them too, and feel free to share the link with your friends. Wishing you peace and blessings. See you in the next video.